Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin right now. Make sure your Android and Roku share the same Wi-Fi network because discovery depends on that. Once connected, enable screen mirroring on Roku via Settings then System and set the mode to Prompt or Always. On your Android, pull down Quick Settings or open Google Home. Start the cast workflow so the phone begins scanning. This gets the required permissions and network discovery active, which is why we do those steps immediately rather than later. Now, choose the Roku that appears in your cast list. Look for the exact device name so you don't connect to a neighbor's TV. Grant any Android prompts for local network access and media control. Without permissions, casting will fail. Once connected, verify audio routes correctly and adjust display scaling or aspect ratio if the image looks cropped, because many TVs use 16:9 by default. If you plan to stream apps, open them after casting for best performance. This reduces stutter and keeps controls responsive. Finish by stopping the cast cleanly. Tap disconnect on your phone or press home on Roku. Make sure playback finishes smoothly. If there's lag, move devices nearer to the router or switch bands to 5 GHz for less interference. One key troubleshooting tip: if the Roku never appears, restart both the Roku and your Android, forget and rejoin the Wi-Fi, then try again. This clears network conflicts and resets discovery services. If problems persist, check for system updates on both devices before repeating the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.